is. Winter, it's here. Just want to showcase some of the annoying thing about my Challenger. Quick video here. Hopefully you can help me out, and maybe some of you have been through this, and let's hear the problem. One of the issues with my 2016 Challenger is this noise that is starting to drive me a little bit unhappy, let's say. And listen to this. Creaking! God damn, it's horrible. Yeah. Yeah, it's it's really annoying, to be honest. This car has been rattle free for almost 4 years now, 5. We're going on 6 years, so the first 4 years were rattle free. Now the seat is creaking. So anyway, if there's any one of you there has a fix, or has the same issue there, we like to fix this. So I'm gonna follow up with a new video on this later on. So I found there's 2 major fixes that can help you out with this creaking problem. One, just have to crank the audio. Shall I leave you my key? Open it, check it and see. 2, you gotta press on the go fast pedal.